It's the end of the monsoon, and everything around me is lush and vibrant. This is, without a doubt, my favorite time of the year. Even during the rains, I kept riding soaked to the skin, fingers numb, shoes full of water, but somehow it was still a thrill. Every moment out there, I embraced it. I don't mind the winters. It's just the shorter days that bother me. The cold wind cutting through your bones in the early morning jolts you awake, with numb fingers adding a unique edge to the ride. I've lived in the north my whole life, so I never learned to hate the winters. I'm riding through a quiet village in the north. The mountains are soft blue and the sky mirrors them perfectly. There's a calmness in the air and I feel completely at peace. These days, I have to venture further to find those small village roads, surrounded by farm beneath open blue skies. I miss the time when I could drive just a few miles away from home and find a quite lonely road. Better savor it while it lasts. There's something special about riding solo. The silence, the space to just be with your thoughts. It's my time, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.